Just to give you a history and the chronological sort of timeline of the water division, having such a global presence, providing solutions all around the globe. In around 2009, we developed what we call the patented Minetek evaporation technology. And in its infancy, it was designed to specifically evaporate wastewater in tough modern mining environments. And so we went back to our first principles of fan design, of fan engineering and airflow, air-to-water ratio, water droplet sizes. We went through deep, in-depth and costly scientific studies, analysis, and a lot of innovation through our founders. And we developed technology which still to this day is world-class and is the only technology of its scale and calibre available on the globe. We started off in Australia for the first few years, servicing the mining industry primarily, and then since then we've been able to develop to have over 500 systems operating in 25 countries globally, covering the mining, industrial and oil and gas sectors. So primarily our customers' problems are dealing with excess wastewater, which is either too costly to treat, they can't discharge it, so they have a zero liquid discharge scenario on site where they either have to store it, treat it, evaporate it. And the evaporation solution is often, in most cases, 5 times more cost effective compared to traditional methods like water treatment and building new dams and ponds and that type of thing. Some of the key features and benefits of the water evaporator is its ability to process a very broad range of water qualities. So we've had success in processing water that's as low pH as sort of 1.8 to 2, so acid water, highly corrosive water, right through to caustic liquor that can be a pH of sort of 12 to 14 and beyond, and everything in between. So that might include mine wastewater, wastewater from power stations, processed and produced water from oil and gas facilities, water that's got high salt and high brine content. So that's one of the key benefits, is its ability to process such a broad range of water qualities. And then above and beyond that, the volumes that we're able to deal with. Minetek evaporator's capability is unparalleled when it comes to dealing with volumes of water. Our largest evaporator has the ability to process 135 cubic metres per hour, which is in most cases 8 to 10 times the capacity of the next available units on the market. How does the Minetek evaporation technology work? What we'd like to say is that it's not rocket science. It's a pretty simple process that we're doing. We're taking a naturally occurring process, which is solar evaporation from the sun, and we're mechanically enhancing it through the use of a large fan. So we're pumping a high volume of water at high pressure through nozzles. Those nozzles then atomising that water into small droplets, and those atomised water droplets are forced up into the atmosphere to evaporate. Now, the nominal average number which we've seen based on data and feedback from clients all around the globe over the last 10 years plus is 50%. We like to provide what we call an end-to-end solution, and what that involves is a simple engagement up front, fact-finding discussion to learn about your application, learn about the problem that you're trying to solve and how our solution could potentially fit for that. And following that discussion, we will then move into what we call an application assessment process, and that's a simple questionnaire, a list of questions of information that we need from you. From that point, we're able to do our water quality analysis. We're able to do the evaporation efficiency process. We're able to provide you with a graph and a model which shows you month by month the expected efficiency in your specific climate. Then based on the volume of water you need to evaporate, and armed with the evaporation efficiency we've just completed, we're then able to size and scope a system specific to your need. And that doesn't stop there. Once the system is determined that's needed, a proposal will be done and presented to you, which will show you all the inclusions and the exclusions, the OPEX cost, the CAPEX cost, and also the power requirements. And then from there we move into obviously a project delivery phase. Once the project gets to go ahead, it gets handed over to an internal project team, which then takes that through to delivery and installation and commissioning on site. And then we have an after-sales team which works all around the globe across all the continents to support our existing and future projects.